Hi, my name is Lana Rockdy Wild, and in this chapter I continue to buy candles, put lighting in the house, and finish the loft upstairs and deal with a lot of snow. I love this lamp that looks like northern lights I put together from things I got from Value Village. I clipped the battery power lamp small enough to drop in there and then set a cup on top with a candle. We had our first major snowstorm, and the only way to get out, I figured, was to be shoveling with my light suit on, so I dug around to find my light suit. I shoveled the first section here with Bingo's help. There's another section that I shoveled, and I brought Bingo into the house. The sun was rising when I was getting this done. After shoveling my way to the shared driveway, I saw one of my neighbors driving really fast in the deep snow to try to get out, and then he got stuck. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get out today. I want to go to Value Village and get more moose decorations and candles and food. After taking a short break, I decided to make an attempt to drive out. After talking with neighbors, I found out that they often park out there where the city plows up to, and they don't plow the rest. So I decided the best thing for me to do is buy a snowblower, because I didn't want to not park near my house. I wanted to try to drive up to my house all year round. I bought a deluxe 30-inch 306cc two-stage self-propelling gas snow blower with push-button electric start, power steering, headlights, and heated handles. But I had to pull start it. I didn't have the automatic start thing on it. It was awesome. I brought it back and snowblowed the whole area around my house and out to the shared driveway and the whole driveway out to where the city plows. I went to bed early that day, and when I woke up I thought it was morning. I started my day, but it was actually 1:20 only, 1:20 in the morning, so I went back to bed. Then I woke up again later, and this is the moon set behind my house on the lake. I took a little stroll just to capture some nice pictures while Bingo was sleeping. Morning, when Bingo saw the snowblower, he was barking and scared of it.
What is it, Bingo? Snowblower! What is it, baby?
I then took Bingo for a walk behind the house in the really deep snow. He completely loved running around in that snow.
Good boy.
Evening, the moon was really bright above the house, and I made a fire and worked upstairs putting the flooring down in the loft. After working on the floor, I took a break and played a song for Bingo.
Good enough for me, Bobby. Wonderland, la la la.
The next day, my iPhone stopped working. I lost 1 month of photos, and then I had to start making these before I lost more. I also brought all my stuff in from outside, and I was planning to try to go snowboarding. On December 11th, I needed to cut more firewood, so I went to this huge tree at the front of my driveway, and I cut that tree down. A neighbor stopped by when I was doing that work, and just to say hi. I had to hurry up and get it off the road, though, because I didn't want to block people. And it went good, though, and I stacked all the wood near my house, and Bingo was great help, as usual. Then I took Bingo for his daily walk exploring around our property. I like walking with him in the deep snow. He loves hopping in the snow. It was fun. I then put up a Christmas tree and decorated for Christmas and filled these kerosene lanterns with kerosene I bought from Amazon, and made our dinner, which was a steak in tinfoil. Then it was snowing. I looked out the door and I couldn't even see any tracks. It was just all covered with snow within a few hours. When I looked out, I remembered I forgot to get more gas for the snowblower. I put the gas tank in the car, but didn't fill it by accident. I was eating pizza and soda, and I was too worried about my cell phone that I forgot to fill up that gas tank. And now I'm gonna have to figure out if I can make it to the Tesoro, because I need that snowblower.
You come back, puppy.
I suddenly started feeling like I was on a fire assignment or something, and I forgot to buy enough chew and, food and gas, and I was like, oh no, what did I do?
Leave my steak alone. Alright, I'll leave you outside for a while. Go pee.
This is the most snow I have seen in years, and one time I lived in Girdwood, but I never lived in the woods by myself and had to deal with this much snow, so I was kind of jaw-dropped and just walked around looking for gas and trying to figure out what I was gonna do. Then I just decided to get Bingo dressed up and let's figure it out.
You wanna get going, puppy? Wait, let's get your jacket. Let's put your jacket on, okay? You ready to put on your jacket? What? You don't want your jacket on? What's the matter? You don't like your jacket? Come on, baby. Yeah, baby. Go get your jacket on. You can do it, baby. There you go. Ready to go, baby. All right. You gonna break trail for me? To the car, baby. Let's go. Break trail for mommy. Good boy. Oh, you're gonna. There you go. Good boy. Keep going. Oh, I don't think so. Too deep, huh? Mommy gotta break the trail. Yep. Another. Wow. It's
Yeah, that's over a foot and a half overnight. Good boy. Good puppy. Yeah, someone drove through this. Oh, where the snow go? Oh shit. No, I'm not gonna get out of here. I wasn't sure if I should just keep snow blowing or just park out there where the city plows up to, because it might be a lot of work all year, and I was already got so tired from snow blowing the other day, so I just kept trying to decide what to do. I was also wondering what the neighbors were gonna do. I was kind of hoping someone would just come flying by with a snowplow or something, but nothing was happening. There was just tons of snow, and either I had to snow blow it or just start walking. And Bingo loved the snow. We went to the camper right here, and he was just like diving through the snow on our walk. I knew what I had to do. I just started the snow blower and snow blowed about 10 miles to get out of there. It took me about 4 hours. I went past some neighbors' houses and stuff, and I kind of looked like the Energizer Bunny, I was told. That day I continued to lay down the top floor in the loft. It was starting to look real good. After working on the loft for a few hours, I decided I needed to take a break because my elbow was actually hurting from using that snowblower too many hours. So I found some Bengay and put it on my arm and iced it and stopped working. This morning it snowed again, so I snowblowed again because I wanted to drive my tiny car out of here and go to Alyeska to go snowboarding, I was thinking. So yeah, I just snowblowed all morning so I can get out of there with the small car instead of the truck. I thought I would save gas by driving that car. Also, I didn't have insurance on my truck, and I like driving my nice 2020 Chevy Spark. It's really good, actually. Right here, I was widening my driveway because when I was driving my truck, I felt like it was bumping the side. I was trying to widen the turn sight right here. It's still pretty hard to make this turn, actually. Right here I snowblowed all around the house, and especially there was this big pile of snow that slid off the roof sitting right next to my wood pile, and I was really happy to get that pile of snow out of my way so I could walk and get wood easily, and later on it's not going to create a big old pond next to my house. Then I got my Spark, and me and Bingo headed on out. I had to kind of go fast to not get stuck in the snow, even though it had been plowed. I was driving fast and trying to get out of there. I wanted to get a Santa Claus outfit so I could ski for free at Alyeska.
Keep your feet on the gas, baby. Come on, car. Don't stop. Come on, baby. Keep moving.
There's an old truck stuck there the other day, so I was worried going through that spot. Roads were really icy and bad all over. There were vehicles stuck in ditches, and it was pretty hard driving through town, actually. Evening I snowblowed again because it had snowed so much that the only way to get out of there would be to snowblow all evening, and just try to keep up with the snow. I snowblowed all the way out to where the city plows again, so it took me about 4 hours. Evening when I turned the lights on the Christmas tree, Bingo wasn't sure what to think. What's up, Bingo? Christmas tree scare you? You gonna get the Christmas tree? Snowed hard again, so I had to snowblow again to get out of there. I went to Valley Village to get a Santa Claus outfit so I could ski for free at Alyeska. However, that evening my car transmission broke, so that whole plan to go skiing was scratched because I had to deal with that. It snowed another foot, and I don't know what to think at this point. I wonder if I should just keep snowblowing or park out there. Isn't it beautiful, puppy? You can do it. Wow. So cute. You like the deep snow, huh? What a runner, Bingo. Woo. Winter Wonderland. I mean, the only thing I could think of to do is just keep snow blowing, because that's the only way I can get out of here. There's where my car's transmission stopped. That's where my car is. That's where the transmission blew out. So I need to snowblow around it and up to it so it could be towed. I got the road plowed and gave my neighbor a ride to Fred Meyer's because her car is stuck. And she ate dinner here. She built a 12-foot by 8-foot micro home, and it's not staying warm. And she's having trouble with it leaking, so she's starting to stay at my house. I still didn't get my car towed because the city didn't plow the road. And I just have to use my truck and hit the gas to get out of here and keep snow blowing. My truck is almost too wide for how narrow I snowblowed the road. I went over it 4 times and the banks are high, so it falls back down. And right now it finally stopped snowing and it's clear out and getting cold now. I snowblowed and shoveled around my truck too, and around the house. It was a beautiful, clear morning out there, and so I walked in the deep snow to take these pictures with the tripod, and I fell over a bank in the deep snow. And Bingo was ready to go back in. It was too cold for him. He didn't want to follow me in the super deep snow, and it was the coldest weather he ever experienced. When I dance, Bingo always wants to dance with me. On my way into town, I picked up my neighbor again because her car was still stuck in a snowdrift. Bingo got a lot of hellos from people at Value Village as usual. That's how far I've been plowing. I got this warm sweater from Value Village. I took Bingo for a walk in the deep snow on a hill.
Yeah, trooper. He's right on my heel, basically. I can feel him stepping on the back of my heel every step. This tree's up the hill. Oh, what a cute puppy. Yeah, baby. Good puppy. You're so cute. Almost should take his jacket off because he jumps even cuter in the deep snow without the jacket. I took Bingo's jacket off, so now I can take a video of him bounding down the hill in the deep snow. He is so cute. There you go. Go, puppy. Let's go. Let's go. Good puppy. Keep leading, baby. You got it, Bingo. You are a trooper. He's fearless. I mean, this snow is way deeper than him. He'll just go, you don't even care. That's it, baby. You found a nice dead tree for me. Yeah. Come on, baby. You can do it, Bingo. Please. Keep trying, baby. There, that was hard. You are such a good puppy. Ugh. Oh. Good baby.
After that, I went to sleep early. Then I woke up and was like, good morning on Facebook, and I thought it was morning. Yeah, it's 11 a.m. right now, and for some reason, I thought it was a lot earlier, because usually I wake up at 5 a.m. and I don't know, I mean, I did wake up and make a fire, but it was really cold in here. The puppy was crying just now, so I woke up and made a fire again. And it is a little bit cold in here because I haven't had a fire in a while, and it cooled off outside. But I'm still super surprised it's 11 a.m. because, I mean, I don't know if it really is 11 a.m. I just feel like it's actually, I don't know. It just seems too dark out and there's stars out, but I just don't think that it's 11 a.m. I gotta try to figure out what's going on. I was thinking I usually wake up before 11. My Facebook post and someone said it's PM, so then I found out it actually wasn't morning. I was pretty happy. I can go back to bed. Puppy wants to go out, but I have to put a leash on him. Ever since then, he's been sad about it. Ready to put on your harness? You lost your freedom. I don't like that. He's sad. Oh, look at that. You don't want your harness on. You want to run free. But you run away. When I woke up in the morning, I realized Bingo knows what time it is. And also I could pay attention to where the moon is if I'm ever confused. To start the day, I had to do a little dance with Bingo and eat a donut. I cooked bacon, eggs, and oatmeal directly on the fire. It had a good fire taste to it. I gave Bingo a couple of slices of bacon, and then I dumped the bacon grease over his dog food. I like to keep him fat because he has a lot of energy. Took him for a nice walk down the driveway and then out behind the house looking for some firewood, and I really enjoyed seeing all the snow on the trees and sun shining on the tops of the trees. Good puppy. This is the trail we broke yesterday, which now is much easier to walk on. So I'm confident that I'm gonna have great success cutting firewood today. And Bingo, he's excited to get out of the house. So taking him for a walk helps him not run away. Are you okay? Well, I thought he was excited, but he's never experienced this cold, actually. So as I'm walking, poor puppy. Too cold, baby? I need to put jacket and boots on him. Poor puppy. I decided to cut this small tree right next to my house, just for firewood for a day or so. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and please subscribe. I'll be posting windstorm next and cutting hazard trees. Right now I'm still dealing with losing my puppy Bingo. Kind of emotionally hard time, but I'm doing good cutting firewood and surviving. But it has been a hard couple of weeks. That's why there was a break in posting. And I'm just trying to get through this with understanding and strength and love, and just trying to not be angry about what happened. And basically he got grabbed out of my neighbor's arms in front of me and was mauled to death for 10 minutes in front of me. And I couldn't save him. Thank you.